Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. Chapter 10 we had started force, work, and energy. In previous session, we had discussed what is force, when force is applied on a body to make a move through a distance, when work is done, that we had discussed. Today, we will see what are simple machines. In short, tools which make our work easier and faster. All that tools are simple machines. Often we have to use some tools to do some work. If you want to cut anything, you use scissor. If you want to cut anything, sometimes you use knife. Sometimes if you want to roll anything, big things, then you are using a big wooden plank, and on that you are moving that. If you want to open any bottles, at the type bottle opener you are using. But in that bicycle also pedals, wheels are used. So all these are the simple machines that we will discuss in this topic. So such tools are called the simple machines. For example, we use a knife to cut an apple. So here, knife is a tool or a simple machine which help us to do work and which makes our work easier. So, in short, simple machines help us to do these three things to do our work faster and with less effort. If you are using knife, scissor, bottle opener, screwdriver, all these things, if you are using pliers, hammer, tongs, nutcracker, all these are the simple machines. It makes your work faster and with the less effort. You don't have to do more effort to complete that work. Sometimes to change the direction of the force used and do work with the less force. Some examples of simple machines are the lever, the pulley, the wheel and axle, the inclined plane, the screw, and the wedge. So these are all the simple machines which we are using in our day-to-day life. We will discuss it one by one. So first, lever. In your textbook on page number 84 it is given. So what are the levers? A lever is used to lift weights, cut things, and open the lids. For example, scissors, bottle openers are the some examples of the levers. Pliers will also come, nutcrackers will also come, then fishing rod will also come, then big rods, simple big rods are also, all these are the levers. A small child lifts up a heavier child on a seesaw, which is also a type of a lever. When you were very young, at the time you might have gone so many times in that park. In that park, slides are also there and the seesaw are also there. So when you are playing the seesaw, at the time the child who is heavier, they can easily lift the small child who is less in the weight. So seesaw, which is there in the park, is also a type of a lever. See, scissors, bottle openers, these are the examples of the lever. Mostly levers are used to lift the weights, cut the things, or to open the lids. Second simple machine, pulley. First I will show you the figure of this pulley. See, this man is drawing a water from that well. So pulley is made from a wheel and a rope. Here you can see that wheel, and on that wheel that rope is passed. So in the village you might have seen so many times this type of the well on which pulleys are fixed, and pulley is used for drawing water from a well, and this type of the pulley is a fixed pulley. Movable pulleys are also available. When you on that flag post, you might have see in your figure 10.2 flag post, it is given on that upper part, that pulley is fixed. So here it is fitted to some support, a rope is passed over the pulley, and the bucket is tied to one end of the rope, and it is pushed down, and from the other end of the rope you will pull it upwards, so water will be easily come out from that well. So this type of the pulley which you are seeing in this figure, water being drawn from a well. A pulley is made from a wheel and a rope. It is used to lift things easily. In big cranes, you might have seen in big vehicles, cranes are fitted, and on that also pulleys are fixed. They are the fixed pulleys, and with the help of that pulleys, on that pulley the big chains are passed, and with the help of that chains the big cranes and big cartoons are lifted from one place to another place. In so many movies also you might have seen. So this type of the pulleys which is given in your textbook, villagers use pulleys to draw water from the wells. Movable pulleys along with the fixed pulleys are also used to lift the loads in big machines. Movable and the fixed pulleys are fixed together, and they are easily used to lift the loads. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle is an arrangement made up of two circular objects. See this figure. This is the wheel and axle arrangement. Wheel and axle is made up of two circular objects of different size. First, we will read out this. I will explain you. Wheel is the larger object, and it rotates around a smaller circular object called the axle. Here, wheel and axle is the arrangement made up of two circular objects of different size. दोनों circular objects ही होते हैं and different sizes. Wheel is of the larger object, and it rotates around a smaller circular object called the axle. A steering wheel, a bicycle pedal, a screwdriver are the some examples of the wheel and axle. See, I will show you the figure. Wheel and axle means you will see where wheel and axle you will see on steering wheel. Mostly each and every one you are having that car, you might have seen this type of the steering wheel. Here the wheel and axle arrangement you will see on the bicycle pedal also. With the help of that pedal, when you will pedal that, at the time only that bicycle will move. So wheel and axle you will see on that bicycle. On screwdriver also you can also find wheel and axle arrangement in sewing machine also, in egg beaters also. There are lots of examples where you will find the wheel and axle arrangement. Next, inclined plane. Inclined plane is simply a slope over, or we can say that walking up a slope is easier than climbing a ladder. If I give you slope and if I give you a ladder, सीढ़ियाँ देती हूँ, so which one will be easier for you? Walking up a slope will be easier for you, yes. So inclined plane is the slope which makes our work easier, on which a load can be pushed up or pushed down. A plank of wood is often used to load heavy barrels onto trucks. You might have seen so many times that vehicles when they are loaded or unloaded from that trucks, at the time the big slopes, wooden slopes they are using. and on that slopes they roll down that big vehicles from that slopes, and they unload the trucks. So inclined plane, this slide in the parks, mostly you all of you had seen this type of the slides are present in the parks. This is the best example of the inclined plane. So in the parks, sorry, slide is the best example of the inclined plane. So an inclined plane is a slope which makes our work easier. When workers have to load or unload a truck, they use a plank or inclined plane. In hospitals also you might have seen that there are some big buildings also that they are having the inclined planes called the ramps in the hospitals beside the steps. This type of the inclined plane with that small steps, it is there, it is called the ramps, are also present just provided next to the staircase, and this helps in pushing the wheelchairs. So these are the best example of the inclined plane: ramps, slide, wooden plank used to unload the trucks. Next, screw. A screw looks like a nail with a groove. See, cut into it. This is the screw. Second figure, it is a jack screw. That also I will explain you. So screw is a simple machine which is used to hold the things tightly together, and it looks like a nail with a grooves, and mostly screws are used to hold the things tightly together, and if things are joined with the screw, they held together through a longer distance. If you are comparing with that nail, if you compare the nail and the screw can hold the things tightly together through a longer distance. Bigger screw, the second figure, bigger screw is called the jack screw, are used to lift the cars. Sometimes when you are going from one place to another place and by chance there is a puncture in your tires, at the time what your papa will do, they will lift the cars. And how they will lift the cars? On this jack screw. This is the example of the jack screw. They are used to lift the cars, and some other heavy objects are also being lifted by this jack screw. And in sometimes you might have seen this type of the screw jack or the jack screw in the revolving stools also, chairs also. And the best example, girls, yes, ear studs, आपकी जो बुट्टियाँ होती है उसके पीछे, they are using that jack screw only. That is the best example of that screw. So at lot of places you will find that simple machines, they make our work easier and the faster. Second, wedge. Observe a knife or a woodcutter's axe. You might have seen when the woodcutters want to cut that wood, they use the axe. See or imagine that axe just now. Note that the edges are the sharp in front and blunt at the back. Yes, they are sharp at the front and the back they are blunt. They are shaped like two inclined planes attached back to back. This structure is called a wedge. It is used to cut the hard objects. See, this is the simple figure of the wedge. This is the figure of the wedge. In the front it is the sharp, and at the back side it is the blunt. See, like this way. If they want to cut anything, they keep this wedge, and with the help of the hammer they will cut this big log into a two piece. So this is the example of the wedge. It looks like a woodcutter's. It looks like in the front it is sharp and blunt at the back. From the back side, with the help of the hammer, if you will hammer it, then that too, it will make your work easier. If you want to cut anything, that wedge is the best example, and they are shaped like two inclined planes. attached back to back. This structure is called the wedge and it is used to cut the hard objects. Again, see this, if you want to cut this big log, wooden log, then if you will put this wedge and on that wedge you will give hammer, then it will be easily cut out into two pieces. So again, what are the simple machines? Machines which make our work easier and the faster with the less effort are called the simple machines. Some examples of the simple machines we had discussed are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. These are all the examples of the simple machines. Some examples of the simple machines. Thank you, students.